Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you we're going to do a little prime number testing here on a Raspberry Pi 4, the 4 gig. So we went ahead, we're going to go into sudo nano, if I can remember this directory here. Here we go. We're going to go into the boot config, and if we scroll down, we can see, once I find it here, that we're at 700 megahertz default. So we're going to let that go like that. Over here, we're going to run the watch command here with 1 second interval for the temperature of the Pi. And down here, we're going to do another watch command with 1 second for the clock. So this is 600 megahertz. Down here, we are going to run htop. So as you can see, we got the 4 gig. We can see 3.81. So we're going to exit out of that, clear that. And I have a little prime number, some code here. So as you can see, it just finds prime numbers out of and it times it how long it takes. So if we do a Python prime, it's going to go through and find how many prime numbers and so on. And as you can see, we have 100% on one core. All right, so it took around, I guess you could say, 25 seconds. So what we are going to do is get back into the boot config, and we're going to scroll down and overclock the Pi here. And as you can see, we're doing about 51 Celsius, and if you were watching that. So we're just going to do a Control K to get rid of that. And we're going to go ahead and paste in and overclock is at 1750 megahertz. So we're going to do a Control X, Y, and enter. Let's go ahead and we'll stop that. Then we just need to reboot this Pi for the service to take effect. So let me get connected here. Now I don't have nothing else plugged into the Pi. There's nothing plugged into the USBs or anything like that. This is just basically a stock image. We'll go ahead and get htop running. Alright, so let's go ahead and we'll get the temperature going. Get the clock going. So now we're at around 700 megahertz. So let's go ahead and run the prime script again. And right now we're showing at 1750, 58C, 59. Alright, so it's about 5 seconds faster on the test. So it definitely helped a little bit by overclocking this. Now obviously you want to do this at your own risk. You could corrupt your SD card or whatnot. I never normally overclock my Pis, really don't have a reason to, but figured I'd just do this to show. So hopefully that kind of helped out. I'll throw a link in the description for the prime number thing. So hopefully that you guys can use that and mess with it. So, all right, thanks for watching and stay tuned for another one.